Welcome to Automotive World. Today, we're diving deep into the legendary Ford Mustang Boss 429, a car that has cemented its place in the annals of muscle car history. Produced in limited numbers between 1969 and 1970, the Boss 429 was created to homologate Ford's 429 cubic inch V8 engine for NASCAR racing. This car is not just a piece of automotive history, it's a symbol of power, performance, and American engineering excellence. Let's start with the heart of the Boss 429, its engine. Under the hood, you'll find a massive 7.0-liter V8 engine, which was officially rated at 375 horsepower. However, many enthusiasts believe that the actual output was closer to 500 horsepower. This engine was a marvel of engineering, featuring aluminum heads with large, free-flowing ports, a high-rise intake manifold, and a strengthened block. These components were designed to maximize airflow and combustion efficiency, making the Boss 429 one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. The Boss 429's engine wasn't just about raw power, it was also about precision. The engine was hand-assembled and featured a forged steel crankshaft, heavy-duty connecting rods, and forged aluminum pistons. These high-performance components ensured that the engine could handle the stresses of high-speed racing. The Boss 429 also came with a unique oil cooler and a baffled oil pan to keep the engine running cool under extreme conditions. Moving on to the exterior, the Boss 429 is a visual masterpiece. Its aggressive stance, wide body, and distinctive hood scoop give it a look that screams performance. The hood scoop wasn't just for show, it was functional, helping to feed cool air into the engine. The car also featured front and rear spoilers, which improved aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The Boss 429 was available in several striking colors, including Raven Black, Wimbledon White, and Grabber Blue, each adding to its menacing appearance. The interior of the Boss 429 is just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin was designed with the driver in mind, featuring high-quality materials and a layout that put all the controls within easy reach. The car came with bucket seats, a center console, and a wood-rimmed steering wheel, giving it a sporty yet luxurious feel. The dashboard was equipped with a full set of gauges, including a tachometer, oil pressure gauge, and ammeter, allowing the driver to monitor the car's performance at all times. Driving the Boss 429 is an experience like no other. The roar of the V8 engine, the responsive handling, and the sheer power make it a joy to drive. The car's suspension was specially tuned to handle the power of the engine, featuring heavy-duty springs, shocks, and sway bars. The Boss 429 also came with power front disc brakes, ensuring that it could stop as well as it could go. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, the Boss 429 delivers an unforgettable ride. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Boss 429 is its rarity. Only 1,359 units were produced, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after Mustangs. Each car was built by CarCraft, a Ford subcontractor, and featured a unique KK number on the driver's side door. This number is a badge of honor, signifying that the car is an authentic Boss 429. The Boss 429's legacy extends beyond its performance and rarity. It represents a golden era of American muscle cars, a time when automakers were pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The Boss 429 was a statement of intent from Ford, a declaration that they were serious about competing in NASCAR and dominating the muscle car market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Automotive World for more content on classic cars. See you next time.